Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel Channel. I'm going to show you how to make this crochet ruffled hat for a woman's size. And I used an eye hook and medium worsted yarn. If you want to make it smaller or bigger, just go up or down on the hook size. The pattern is down below in the description. There are links down below on how to do a magic circle, how to place your video in slow motion, and also how to do beginner stitches if you need help. I also used an eye hook for the ruffles for a woman's size. If you wanted to make this smaller for a smaller size, then you could probably go down on a hook size on the ruffles too. Okay, so let's get started.
To get started, you're going to work 11 double crochet in the magic ring. So create your magic ring, grab the yarn, create a slip stitch into it, and then create a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. If you want, you can do a chain 3 or just the double crochet, and I'm going to continue on with 10 double crochet for a total of 11. Continue until you have 11. Now you're going to pull it closed, and on top of that double crochet, you're going to slip stitch, insert your hook, grab the yarn, and pull through. Pull it closed as tight as you can and work a chain 3. This counts as your double crochet. Double crochet into the same stitch, 2 double crochet in each stitch around for a total of 22. And then repeat that until you get to the beginning. Now you're going to slip stitch into the chain 3. Make sure that your count is correct with 22. Just add 11 for each round. Now you're going to chain 3. This counts as a double crochet. Then 2 double crochet in the next stitch. And then 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochet. And then repeat that around. You're going to do 1 double crochet, 2, 1, 2, all the way until you get to the beginning. Slip stitch to join on top of that, chain 3, and then chain 3. And then a double crochet in the next stitch, and then 2 double crochet in the next, and then 1 in the next 2 stitches, and that's the pattern around. 1 in the next, and then 2 increase. And you're going to repeat that until you get to the beginning. So it's going to be 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Slip stitch on top of the chain 3. And this is the last round of increases. So you're going to chain 3, double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then 2 double crochet increase. and then you repeat that around. So 1, 2, and 3, and then an increase. So 1, and then 2, and then their third double crochet, and then 2 increase. This is the last round of increases. Just repeat this around. So it's going to be 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, and then increase. Okay, make sure you always end with 2 double crochet before you slip stitch into the chain 3. And now this is going to be
double crochet in each stitch around for 8 rounds and no more increases.
Repeat that around. You're going to do this for a total of 8 more rounds. Now you're going to add ruffles. I'm going to use a different color here and slip stitch in just by pulling my yarn through. And I'm going to chain 3. And then in each stitch I'm going to work 3 double crochet. And then I'm going to go to the next stitch and work 3 double crochet. Each stitch around gets 3 double crochet. You're going to repeat that for each stitch until you get to the beginning. Now you're going to end with a slip stitch on top of the chain 3. And now you're going to chain 3 and work 3 double crochet in each stitch around again. And then go to the next stitch and work 3 double crochet. This will make the ruffles more frilly. And then 3 double crochet in the next. You'll just repeat that around, 3 double crochet in each stitch around until you get to the beginning. You're going to slip stitch into the chain 3 and you're going to do another round of 3 double crochet in each stitch around. Start with your chain 3 and work your 2 double crochet, and then in the next stitch work 3 double crochet. And this is the last round. Unless you want more ruffles, you can do more rounds. And then when you're done, you're going to end with a slip stitch into your chain 3. So it's going to look like this, and you can add one more round or another round.
At the end, you can slip stitch on top of the chain 3 and then weave in your ends with your yarn needle. And please subscribe if you haven't already. This hat is perfect for the winter, also even in the summer. This is a very trendy, stylish hat right now. The pattern is down below in the description if you need more assistance. It gives you more of an in-depth, step-by-step process on how to make this crochet ruffled hat. I hope you did enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for watching. There is a playlist for hats if you'd like to take a look at more of the hats that I have made. Thank you for watching.